Hello from Top Banana Antiques Tetbury. So today's video, we have this rather, well, unassuming looking object in front of us, but you will see, I'm just going to alter the camera angle slightly, that when we lift it up, it actually folds out into a really useful book stand or what have you. It means this would be ideal in a kitchen for recipe books. This folds down if you want to put something larger on there, and this little compartment opens up and hinges back. So this is arts and crafts made in oak, so it's dating to the early 1900 period, and really simple, effective design that's functional and still rather attractive. So if you would like to know more about this item or any of the other items that we've got on the website, then please go to topbananaantiques.com and have a wonderful day.